Hello viewers, in this video I'm gonna share some beautiful and amazing Polarr filters that you use in your edits to make it more attractive and beautiful. And yeah, if you want to download them, check the link in description. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's start our video. If you want this, take screenshot or check the link in description. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly message me on Instagram if you have any problem while downloading these filters. Hope you liked my all filters.